I don't think any wrong to you. You try to distort my life into it. Oh, you school going too far. You school going too far. Oh, I don't do anything to you. It's too much, everything's bad. I don't ask you anything. Too much, everything is bad. Why you destroy my life? Why you do this to me? Why you mention the wrong to me? Oh, I don't say anything to you. It's going too far. Water no pass water. You can look the thing. I say water no pass water. You can think the things. I know everything. I'm not talking about this. Oh, I'm a honey. Oh, you're not my friend. Why you destroy my things? You're not from my family. Why you say the wrong to me? You can manage my home. You try to dissect myself. I will show you ability. I swear, my God. I wanna tell the truth for you. I don't care. I give you time for your life. You can see that thing happen to you. Oh, I say the truth for everybody. I don't care. I don't mind. The thing I will hear from my back. I will see the thing about you. I will show the ability. The time will come. People don't know. I give you more time. Policeman, catch and robber. The doctor, to do the sickness thing. Teacher, the teaching, the child. Why you are open your eyes for me? I will show you the things going. Maybe you don't know the road. I will show you a road